mahogany, oak, teak, walnut, rosewood, maple, ebony, pine, cherry, birch, zebra wood, ash, cedar, fir, hickory, beech, bloodwood, poplar, monkey pod, alder, chestnut, kumaru, elm, kingwood, sycamore, blackwood, hemlock, olive wood, spruce, applewood, larch, pearwood, tulip wood, plum wood, yew, boxwood, white oak, ironwood, madrona, hackberry, American walnut, African mahogany, a few bonus search terms: burlwood, which is not a type of wood, it's a growth pattern, petrified wood, which is fossilized tree material, and driftwood, which is real wood that's been naturally weathered by the sea, sun, and sand. Hope this helped.